Hello. Today I just got my Garmin Descent mk2s and I'm very excited to open the box and see what's inside. So, so let's start with the unboxing. So we have the protection and the watch itself. Looks like we have the extended strap. We can use it, for example, for a dry suit or a large wetsuit. We have the charger. It looks like it differs slightly from the latest model, the mk1s. But I find it looks better and it feels also better. We got also a couple of manuals. So let's pull the watch out of there. Let's peel off the sticker here. Wow. Wow. It looks very nice. So it may need to charge the battery before I can turn it on. It is because it is always recommended to charge the battery completely before starting the watch.